Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's have a look at this SAT question. The, cur- the curve y equals to the x squared over 2 and the line y equals to x over 2 intersect at the origin and at point a, b as shown in the figure above. What is the value of b? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video and let's see how we can solve it. So, it's actually an easy problem if you understand the logic behind it. We have two functions are graphed here, and they have two intersections. If you plot two functions in a coordinate system, they will be equal to their values will be equal to if and only if they intersect. So x squared over 2, that's the first one, equals to x over 2 if and only if the values, the graphed values intersect. And we have two intersections. So we see we can actually just solve this. So multiply by 2 and subtract x, and we actually don't have to use the quadratic formula, just have x on the front, and there will be x minus 1 in the parentheses. And we see the value which they intersect. So this is a product which is equal to 0. Product equals to 0 if and only if at least one part of the multiplication equals, one part of the product equals to 0. So either x equal to 0, which we actually know because it is here in the origin, or x minus 1 is equal to 0, which is x equals 1. Let's label those actually. So we know that this one here, its x coordinate is 1. This is 1. Okay, which is the x coordinate? Well, if x coordinate is here shown by a. It is the first one. Now, we are interested in the value of b, but it's easy to calculate. We can actually use either of the functions because we will get the same result, but let's just use the second one. So y is equal to x over 2. And we see y is actually the value of our function, and y is the one we are interested in, the second coordinate, which is labeled as b. And we know that x is equal to 1. In this point, this is this xy point here, which is labeled as a, b. X is equal to 1, and y we can get by the function. So substitute 1 in, y is equal to 1 over 2. And that's our answer. Have you managed to solve it? Tell me in the comment section. And if you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.